So I said, "Ee ammai chala andanga undi." You know what is it?
I don't know.
Okay. This girl is looking very beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay?
Thank
Okay,
you
please
so
carry
much.
on.
Oh my God. I'm going to attempt to speak in Telugu because I'm very stubborn like that. But if I go wrong somewhere, please, Shemichandi.
అయిపోయిందా ఒక్క మాట చాలు మీరు క్షమించండి అన్నారుగా మా వాళ్ళ హృదయాలు పాలకుండలు వెన్నెలు ఖచ్చితంగా క్షమిస్తారు నేనేం మాట్లాడానో మీకు అర్థం కాలే కదా నైస్ కంటిన్యూ
Yeah, this is, if I go wrong, you can blame Prema from Spirit Media and ChatGPT. But I'm going to attempt. So, Bhadrakali cinema naku chala experience ni, chala lessons ni ichindi. Andulo na favorite lesson ante emotions ki language undadu and ఈ సినిమా నాకు తెలుగు భాషని తెలుగు అందరికీ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేసింది బికాస్ ఆఫ్ తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్ ఐ అండర్స్టూడ్ కి ఎమోషన్స్కి లాంగ్వేజ్ ఉంటాదు సో I had apricot delight for the first time here in Hyderabad. Thanks to them.
There's a lot of things to eat.
Loved it. And I was thinking, ivi Malayali, Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, Janakali, apricot decide equal ga sweet.
Yes, it is.
Similarly, Jil Jil song la una energy, Marina song la una emotions, ivi Malayali, Tamil, Marathi, Hindi, Telugu la equal ga ishtam. And great movies like Vijay Garu's and Bahubali and great artists like Vijay Antony sir and Prabhas sir and so many names. Ivi Kerala, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, everywhere equal ga premam. So this very important lesson I learned is that munchi stories, munchi emotions, Vati language. I'm saying it right, no?
Yes, but you said munchi munchi. It's not munchi munchi. It's manchi manchi.
Manchi prema.
So, munchi means drowning. Manchi means good.
See, nobody told me today. Everybody promised me that I can try to speak Telugu.
No. See, you complete your speech, then I'll talk. I don't want to disturb you.
Okay. So, I mean, yeah, basically, manchi stories.
Yes.
Manchi stories, deep emotions, vati language untadu. And naku idi chupinchanduku. Thank you, Hyderabad. Did the current go because of me?
Last 4-5 words you ate off. Are you hungry? You said chupichu. Okay, whatever. We understood your emotion.
Chupinchinnanduku ధన్యవాదాలు.
Okay, ధన్యవాదములు you said. Wow, give it up for her. Superb speech. I think working with Vijay sir only will get this tremendous talents from people, because if we do a friendship more than 3-4 months with a person, we start behaving like that person. We adopt them so much, learn so much, influence so much, lot of things.
Yeah,
is it because of that?
Yeah, I wouldn't have had the guts to say this if all the people sitting in front of me were not so nice that they would forgive me for this later.
There is no question of forgiving, because you wrote a whole script in Telugu. The efforts itself is mind-blowing. So we will only appreciate that. No forgiving.
Yeah, the problem is who was checking my speech? My mom. Does she know Telugu? No. So I made a mistake.
But it's okay, you tried your best. The script is done, you have more?
It's done. Last few things in English is thank you so much for this opportunity. I couldn't have... This is my first time coming to Hyderabad. Bhadrakali got me to Hyderabad, introduced me, like I said, to Telugu people. I don't know if I said it right, so I'll say it again once more.
Whatever it is, I'm so happy that you ate apricot delight. And from the apricot delight, you linked up the whole story to the movie, and that is more creative.
Yeah, the speech started with Apricot Delight as inspiration. Thanks to Teju.
Wow. Very nice. So there's not just apricot delight. Keep coming for Telugu cinema and Telugu movies. You could actually eat everything here. It's very beautiful. Very nice. Next time we meet, tell me a new dish.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you again, and thanks for your beautiful speech. ఒకసారి గట్టిగా చెప్పట్లండి.